Hey, you guys ready for something new? I got Bulma here. Check it out and stay tuned. Hey, everybody. I'm back. It's your man Sarge from Sergeant Digital Design, and I'm back today with this one. This is Bulma. She is from Dragon Ball Z, and she was created by CA3D Studios, and she's my latest project. It took me a while. I printed her maybe 2 months ago. Whenever the week that CA3D dropped her, I was excited and I saw it. I didn't know anything about Bulma. I'm not a Dragon Ball Z guy, even though I do like to paint the custom ones and how they look when they're on sale at the stores, and that is what got me excited about painting sculptures and doing customs. That is the show that got me there. Not the show, but the sculptures. But I didn't know anything about Bulma, and I heard that she goes way back, and I can't be in this business without, you know, doing her. So I studied up and found out who she is and what she represents, and here we are. Hope you guys like this. It was a lot of work. I made this for for a trade for something that another maker is gonna make me for my barbershop. Um, so I'll show you guys that when it comes in. I don't know how much work he's got done, but I do have a few more items that I got coming up soon before October. This is my first finished project of September. Just did a few masks. I did recently. I did Spawn, and actually this one. So I'm knocking out stuff that I haven't done in a few years. Like I printed this Red Hood mask when 3D printing first was like blowing up, and meant to get to them and never finished them. And I just decided this weekend, since I knocked out a couple more masks, like the Spawn, the Deadpool mask, and I'm getting ready to do a Wolverine. Just not like everybody else, but I've always wanted to do it anyway. But I always meant to come back to finish this one, and I didn't put magnets in it. What I did was I just put some elastic band in it, and it works out pretty good. Hopefully you can hear me. But like I said, I glued some elastic bands, and I did that in my other masks also. I got them for Walmart, cut them in strips, and it stays. I don't need magnets for that, because magnets, for some reason, aren't always strong enough to hold these things. And this is, I think I printed this in PETG 3 or 4 years ago, and still hanging around, and got it done. So I'll probably knock out that Mandalorian mask that I was supposed to finish when I first started 3D printing on my CR10 S5. And that thing's been in the trash pile for over a year now. So I'll tell you how long I've been doing this now. But like I said, I got some new things coming up, and I got some new subscribers in my Patreon. I'd like to thank you for actually taking the time to visit my Patreon and joining it. I put her up here before I post this video, and I plan to put more things up there. Some things are a little more risque, but and some regular stuff for all you guys that just like regular stuff. But I do have the risque stuff that I always thought was cool, so I just put it out there. But if you like to see more of this, Please subscribe. Please hit the like. Please share. Do anything you can to get me, up there. I want to keep doing this. I'm not going to stop doing this, but I'd like more people to see me do what I do in this learning process that I got going here. I've been in art for all my life, but this is my closest way that I can make the time to give back to what I'm learning. All right. So, like I said, I'll see you guys soon, and peace out.
Drop the martial artist does not become thin, but ready. the mid-range, drop the.
Uniformation.